So we've had some news that the MSI Afterburner app might be potentially at an end. The actual developer of the app has come out in a post and basically stated that MSI was no longer fulfilling the contractual agreement due to whatever reason, and that because of this he feels that he could no longer develop the app anymore, and as such, this is creating quite a situation and quite a problem. Now, I don't know if this means that the app will just not be updated anymore, or if MSI will actually completely abandon it, if they will delete it from their website, if they will discontinue it completely, and I assume that MSI owns the app in terms of ownership of the actual source code and such, but I don't actually know. I mean, it could be a situation where the developer kept control of that source code as well, and so this is a problem for someone like myself who uses Afterburner for reviews and for benchmarking and testing, and I mean, it's a tool that is used so widely across the tech space, from laptops to computers to even some other devices, and it's something that affects all of us in the tech space, so to say. And so let me read the actual post here that was made by the developer. War and politics are the reasons. I didn't mention it in MSI Afterburner development news thread, but the project is semi-abandoned by company during quite a long time already. Actually, we're approaching 1 year mark since the day when MSI had stopped performing their obligations under Afterburner license agreement due to politic situation. I tried to continue performing my obligations and worked on the project on my own during the last 11 months, but it resulted in nothing but disappointment. I have a feeling that I'm just beating a dead horse and waste energy on something that is no longer needed by company. Anyway, I'll try to continue supporting it myself while I have some free time, but will probably need to drop it and switch to something else, allowing me to pay my bills. So yeah, the person never actually says MSI, he keeps saying company, and I assume English isn't the first language, but it's easy to understand either way. And so yeah, there you have it. Apparently MSI Afterburner is no longer going to be supported, so we'll see how this all turns out. This has potential to be a huge change and issue in the tech space, so yeah, all of us doing YouTube videos and making content will have to find another tool to use, or use different methods. So it's an interesting development. Hopefully MSI finds a way to keep supporting it, but I will keep you updated on that. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.